The care of a blue spruce tree. The blue spruce Picea pungens is native to the United States. It is the state tree of Colorado and Utah, according to Northern Arizona University. Desirable for its bluish-green needles and adaptability, the blue spruce is widely planted throughout the country. Location. Blue spruce trees can reach heights of over 100 feet, according to Northern Arizona University. For that reason, it's important to locate your tree where it will have room to grow tall and wide. These trees grow best in U.S. Department of Agriculture USDA hardiness zones 2 through 7. Culture. Blue spruce trees do not like extremes. They prefer shelter from hot sun and strong winds, according to Utah State University. Plant them in rich, fertile soil and keep the soil slightly moist during periods of drought. Maintenance. Do not prune these trees. They do best when their branches are allowed to grow all the way to the ground, according to Utah State University. Watch for the development of galls lumpy, brown growths on the ends of the branches. Prevent these fungal infections from forming the next year by treating your spruce with a fungicidal spray in early spring.